I am really thankful to Universal Tutorials and the complete staff who have really guided Yaksh very well.
I would like to express my special thanks to Mr. Anubhav sir, as his mentoring, as his experience in developing this course in such a way that the students are able to manage.
All the teachers who taught her so well, especially my thanks goes to heartfelt thanks to Algesh sir, to More sir, to Tiwari sir, Biju sir, who all take so much pain in teaching her in all the subjects, and especially the test series that had been outstanding.
I think that is something which is probably an important factor wherein the kind of personal connect which Anubhav sir and his entire team has built in with the ground level students is something which is really appreciable, and I hope they will continue this particular journey.